channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you my everyday summer makeup routine. So if you would like to see what I do to this face, just keep on watching. Before we get into the next clip, go ahead and subscribe, hit the red button, it's like right there. And like the video if you like it, and if you want to follow me on social media, which you should, they will be in the description box below. So yeah, let's just get into the video. Alright, we're just gonna get started. Don't mind my TV in the back. I have my show on pause that I'm watching right now. So if you did not watch Power, you need to watch Power. Power is amazing and I love that show so much. And it's just really great overall, so just go watch it. What's the first thing that I'm gonna do? Okay, I'm gonna take some eyebrow gel and I'm going to, you know, comb out my eyebrows. Do not look at the shape of them right now because currently I'm trying to grow them out. I leave for college in 5 weeks, so I'm not gonna shape them until in 4 weeks, so that they're fresh AF for first semester. You know, I gotta be looking fresh. So don't look at the shape of my eyebrows, you know. We're just gonna comb those out a little bit and, you know, give them a little life. So there's that. Next thing that we're going to do is we're gonna take a foundation or a concealer, whichever you so choose, and we're gonna do my favorite method for the summer because yes, why not? What are we gonna do? Okay, we're gonna shake it up, make sure everything's shaken, and we're gonna go ahead and put, or should I do it on this hand? I think I'm gonna do it on this hand. We're gonna put a little foundation on our finger and we're going to spot correct. We're not gonna put a whole layer of foundation on our face. So I'm just gonna put it on the spots where I have a little discoloration. We're not going to put a whole layer of foundation on because it's summer and I like to be really light and airy, so yeah, we're just gonna apply that a little bit under the eyes because they're a tad bit dark. I'm still working on that, but yeah. So we're done with that. Now we're just going to blend it out with another finger. So just blend it out. See, it just looks really natural and that's what I like. So yes, honey, blend it out. one more eye, and we're done with the concealer part. Well, not concealer. If you know, if you're my shade and you want to know what Fenty color that I used, this is 420. So, and I could even go a little darker. So, 420, 430. Perfect. Okay, now that that spot correcting is done, we're pretty much almost done. That's crazy. So I'm just gonna take this Becca highlighter in the color, in the shade Chocolate Geode. I don't know how to say that. Geode. Chocolate Geode. But it's really, really pretty chocolate color. And it looks wonderful on dark skin. So I don't know how it would look on lighter skin, but you could certainly try it out. I just know that it's really a deep shade. So we're just gonna put a tad on our lids. And we're really gonna blend that out so that it's not so harsh. Blend that out. A little on the cuticle. And then go ahead and hit the cheeks. Just a tad. I don't want to overdo it, but yeah. This is my favorite highlighter ever. It goes with my skin so perfectly. And we're just gonna blend that out so there's no harsh lines. So there's no harsh lines. Okay, so there's that. We're gonna go ahead and go in with a second eyebrow gel and just comb those out again, because we want those puppies to look as best as they can get without being shaped. So yeah, there's that. And we're gonna go ahead and use some mascara in the Blackest Black L'Oreal Telescopic. You already know the deal. And we're just gonna do top lashes today, because that's what I'm feeling. Sometimes I'll put on bottom mascara, but not feeling that today. So we're just gonna do top mascara. So yeah. I really want to try eyelash extensions, so I might try that, but I'm not really too sure yet. But yeah, let me see. Do I want to do bottom mascara? How was your guys' day? Let me know in the comments. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out my other videos, because I promise you I'm a great time. And you might as well subscribe while you're at it, because that would really make my day. Yeah. Follow me on social media as well. Okay. I think we're just gonna do top mascara. Perf. Now we're gonna take some Too Faced lip injection. Listen, I've used this so much and I don't even need a lip plumper, but I just like the way that it tingles on my, just gonna blend that out a little bit more. I like the way that it tingles on my lips, so I just like the way that it feels. It feels really tingly and I like that feeling, so I bought it. I'm gonna use it up. I'm not just gonna let it sit there. So since this is a clear gloss, I'm gonna add a hint of color with this Buxom lip gloss in Cherry Flip. I'm gonna add a touch of it on there. Just to give it a little color since it is the summer. And that is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you press subscribe and make sure you like the video. If you want to follow me on social media, which you should, they will be in the description box below. So make sure you go check that out. And I'll see you guys when I see ya. Bye.